What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our V3 22 Plus WRX lips. This is the latest version of the VB lips, the V2, which is the most popular lip on the market right now. A lot of guys want something different, so we came out with a version 3. Very similar to the V2, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is and show you guys how to put it on. So for those joining us today, welcome to our channel and let's get started. In the box, you'll get 3 pieces of lip and a bag of hardware with nuts, bolts, and self-tapping screws. Just like the V1 and V2 lips, all you gotta do is put them together. So the difference between the V3 and the V2 is the side pieces. You have a more aggressive cut right here style versus the V2, which is smooth all around, and the fin that kicks up. So for reference, we can just walk over here and show you guys, because I have the V2 on our VB, which is the carbon fiber version. Just show you guys, okay? So the middle is the same, we kept it the same, but the side, you can see, it comes in right here, has a more aggressive liner here, and a fin on the side. So definitely more aggressive. The V3 lip is on. As you can see, it looks pretty aggressive, very nice, especially paired with the V3 STI wing and a V2 side skirts. My customer also has the carbon fiber emblem in red, a lot of red and black, guys, so it looks very, very nice. Kind of reminds me of Brian's car in front of the WRX. Very red, looks very nice. So we're gonna deliver this car back to the customer, but that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in the lip, link is in the box below. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys next time.